Hi everyone, this video is on the mixed exercise 14 question 16. So we are given this equation and this is a student's attempt and we want to identify the error made by the student. Right, so in the first line we just have the equation, but we have applied this because remember that one of the properties of logs is that if you have a power inside, you can basically take that outside of the log and write that as a coefficient. So in this case, they have basically done the opposite. So x plus 1 to the power of half is the same as root x plus 1. So that's fine. Now in the second step, they have what they have done is that they have actually, this is where the mistake is made, by the way, because essentially in the second step, so I'm just going to write this down just to because I'm going to do part B at the same time, because I think the best way is just doing this at the same time. So the first line is correct. Now in the second step, we should actually write log base 2 of x over root x plus 1 is equal to 1, and this is because of the one of the log laws, that whenever the base numbers are the same and we are subtracting two logs, we can rewrite that as a single division, where the first term is in the numerator and the second term in the denominator. But this student has done this absolutely incorrectly, and they have just written x minus root x plus 1, which is not correct at all. So they have just subtracted basically. Now after this step, we can use another property of logs, which is, so whenever we have log base a of b is equal to c, this is the same as a to the power of c is equal to b. So in this case, the base is 2, so we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 1 is equal to x over root x plus 1. And now we just do a simple cross multiplication, so we get 2 root x plus 1 is equal to x. And at this point we can square both sides, so we get basically 4x plus 4 is equal to x squared, which is x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we can use the quadratic formula to solve this, and immediately you'll get the two solutions, which are 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. However, we only accept the first solution, the positive solution, right? Because that's because logs don't take negative values of x, so x cannot be negative when we have log of something. So that's because of that, the answer is only the positive root.